Hi, this is Eric, the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the appliance control unit on your dryer. If you need to purchase a new appliance control unit, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The appliance control unit controls almost all of the functions of the dryer, from sending power to the drive motor and heating element to managing the cycle's timing. If the appliance control unit fails, there can be many symptoms, including but not limited to the motor not running, or the heating element overheating, or not getting power. For this repair, we'll need access to the back of the dryer, so you may need to disconnect the vent hose. For this repair, we'll need to disconnect power to the dryer. To access the control unit, first we'll need to remove the top panel. Using a 5/16 driver, remove these two screws. Then, slide the top panel back, lift it up, and set it aside for reinstallation later. The appliance control unit is located here. Before disconnecting any of the electrical connectors, take a picture with your phone to reference during installation. These 5 connectors have retaining clips that you must depress to remove them from the ACU. Here is a shot of one of the clips removed so that you can see the tab you're trying to depress. Then, gently depress the retainers and remove all of the electrical connectors from the board. Using a 1/4" driver, remove this screw holding the unit to the frame of the dryer. Then, slide the unit towards the back of the dryer and pull it down to remove it. If you need to purchase a new appliance control unit, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dryer to make sure you get the correct part. To install, align these 2 retaining tabs to these 2 slots on the washer's frame and slide the unit into place. Then, reinstall the 1/4" screw. Referencing the photo you took from earlier, reconnect all the electrical connectors. Align these slots on the bottom of the top panel to the control panel bracket on the top of the dryer. Then, slide it forward and reinstall the 2 screws to hold it in place. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.